My wife told me to do that, so there you go.
Throw her under the plane.
Yeah.
And if we could have your attention for a moment, we'd like to point out the safety features of our 737-700 series aircraft. There is a safety information card in your seat back or literature pocket in front of you. To fasten your seat belt, slide the flat end into the buckle. To tighten, pull on the loose strap. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seat belt low and tight across your hips. Wear it anytime you're seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 over-wing window exits, 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead, lights on the floor lead to the exits. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant's commands and leave everything. This aircraft is equipped with life rafts. 2 are located mid-cabin, 1 located forward. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container, remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle in front, pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab in front to inflate. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of the life vest on an entrance. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed.
Okay, I'll come back for that.
We are coming by to check that your seat belts are fastened. Seat back tray tables are in the floor body lock position. All carry-on items stowed completely under the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet clear. FAA regulations require passenger compliance with all lighted information signs, posted placards, crew members' instructions, including information on seat belts, smoking, cell phones, and masks. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to tamper with, disable, and destroy any smoke detector.
All the way up underneath the seat. Thank you.
It is also prohibited to drink any alcohol you may have brought on this flight. If needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, reach up, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Remove your mask or face covering. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Secure with the elastic strap. Breathe normally. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing assistance, place your mask on first. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. We are here for your comfort and safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. We now ask you to sit back, relax, and go the 1 hour, 25-minute empty-air flight to Dallas. Check those seatbelts. We have been cleared for departure. one in the back. Enhanced security prohibits folks from lying or standing in the most forward part of the aircraft. Red X overhead indicates that the lamps are occupied. The fasten seatbelt sign is still on. The captain feels that it's safe for you to be empty. We'll turn it off. And ladies and gentlemen, your health and safety are our number one concern. We're doing everything we can to ensure the well-being of our customers and each other on board. While we love to share our usual hospitality with you in accordance with health officials' recommendations to limit most public interactions, we will be offering a modified beverage snack service on this flight. Masks will not be